Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at the past simple and the present perfect. Which one do you use and when? We use the past simple to talk about something that happened at a particular time in the past, before now, a particular time. For example, I met John at 4 o'clock, or I went to Switzerland last year, a particular time in the past. Use the past simple. We use the present perfect, yes, to talk about a time before now, the past, but we don't mention a particular time. It just happened sometime before now, before the time of speaking. For example, I've been to Switzerland. When? We don't know. It's not important. Just that sometime before now, in the past, I've been to Switzerland. I've met John's girlfriend. She's very nice. When did I meet her? Don't know. Not important. The important thing is I met her at some time in the past and she's a very nice person. I've met John's girlfriend. She's very nice. English grammar, the past simple and the present perfect, they are easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.